All right, it's Thursday. Yeah, it's our lay day. No park today, pool day at the Shades of Green. This is the new kids area. Oh, Nick, here's going outside. There he goes. Whoa. Awesome. All right. Whoa. Oh man, it just dumped on us. Ben, you wanna go down the slide? I can go down the slide? I'm gonna go down the slide. All right, Ben. Whoa, it's so cold. I'm gonna go down the slide. Go, Ben. There he goes. All right, here I go. Whoa, here we go. A little dark. I'm a little bit big. I'm a little bit big. I'm not sliding at all. Whoa! That was fun. All right. Cool. I went down. You having fun? You want to go down that slide?
I want to go in the pool.
All right, I'll go in the pool with you. All right, I'm finally going to go down. Going to go down the slide. Haven't gone down. Jordan's gone down a bunch of times. You've seen it on our first day here. It's Thursday now. Pool day. Daddy's going to go down. Wish me luck. The pool is colder today. Here's a good view of the pool from up top. Look at that there, the boys and mommy. Look at this nice pool. All right, here we go. Going green light. All right, single rise, all right, feet first, right on back only. Here we go. Down. Here we go. It's so cold. Woo-hoo, it's black. I can't see anything. Ah, ah, here we go. Cool. It's dark. Definitely dark. That was cool. All right, let's go over to the boys. Come on, Ben. There he is. Oh, look at Ben go. Too bad you need to have your life preserver on. You did it, Nick. Here I come. He blow his whistle? Oh. Nicholas, is it fun?
Careful.
I will hold you. Come on, get up here. We're gonna go down the slide together. All right, I gotta go up. I'll hold you. Just go through it. Woo! 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 Okay, I got you. Go up, buddy. Go! Go, Ben! Hurry up, Ben. Go. Bye! All right, here we go. All right, ready? Ready? Set it this way. Now. Go ahead. Wait a second. Hold on, hold on. Good job, buddy. Oh man, okay. It's oh, you're on now.
I'm going up here, this giant slide, and I will see you in a bit. All right, I wanted to slide before, but I didn't do it. I faced it, whoa, laugh, I can't speak. I faced it outward, but I didn't face it my face. So, let's slide screen. All right, you guys ready? All right, woo. Let's go. Let's go, all right. Woo. This is, whoa, there we go. Woo! Like the 10th time. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll see you again in a bit. Go down. Now, here we go.
That was fun. Jordan!
Let's talk loud then.
Okay, so let's go! Jordan, come on!
Wait, Ben. Wait.
What?
Let's go. Right, go.
Here we go! Go! Let's go! Woo! That was fun. That was fun. I can be right when down there.
Grab it. There's Poppy. Go ahead, Poppy. Let's see you get in. It's not as warm as it was on Saturday. Saturday was really warm. This is colder. Maybe it'll heat up. Here's Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. Got you a frosted beverage. Hi. There we go. Go, Dad.
Hey, Dad, you want the basketball?
Can I drink something real quick and then I will? Poppy will go over.
Look at his arm. Like to swim by himself. Send to me, buddy.
All right. There you go. Poppy's in the pool. Recording. Ben's got it now. Make sure you look at the thing.
Hi.
It's got to be in your face, Ben.
Yes, I bet. Hey, you're taking.
Hello.
Hello. Where are your red? They're the bottom red.
So, I'm going to show you underwater.
Make sure to get your...
Can I show them underwater?
Yeah, go.
That's fun. That's fun, so let's do it again. Now let's see the basketball. Basketball. Okay, now we're going to basketball. It will be really fun. So you try to shoot in that goal, which is over there, and it was hard for me because I shoot too little. But that side, I'm quiet again. So see you later. Now let's say, Nick, can you say hi to the people?
Okay, are we ready to dry off for some lunch?
Okay, so we're going to lunch.
We can't go there. You have to be 47.
You're cold, buddy. You're
Yeah.
shivering.
All right, let's go dry off and get some
Ben, why
lunch.
don't you,
Yeah, so
Come on,
let's
let's
go
go to the
drive
table.
up. This is the second thing on this channel. We have like 5 more to do.
Yep.
Like I think like 3 more. So we will see.
All right. We are at the wonderful new Disney Springs, at least new for us. First time we've sort of seen it in its new incarnation. And we're gonna have dinner at Enzo's Hideaway, so let's go. I think we're all thirsty and hungry. The beer. At Enzo's Hideaway restaurant here in Disney Springs. Happy anniversary to the couple. Sorry I didn't get
Thank you.
And are you having a good day on your anniversary?
Yes, I am.
49 years?
49
And you're spending it in Disney. Wow. Mom got some lasagna, Dad got some bolognese, the boys got spaghetti and meatballs, I got some kind of chicken, chicken penne something. Tina got 3 cheese ravioli. So, hi honey. How's your wine?
Hey.
I got a Goose Island. It's good. Any more? All right, so we're gonna. Oh yeah, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here it comes. Oh my gosh. You did it. Well done. All right. So the boys like the pasta. All right, we'll walk around a bit longer and show you some more sights from Disney Springs.
Eat your food.
Thank you.
You can wish.
Oh, look at.
Whoa! Hey!